Hi guys, welcome to English 2210 and I'm your instructor, Sofia Tarabrina. I'm going to show you what we have on our Brightspace page and how this course is going to be structured. So first and foremost, as you know, this is a late starting class and it consists of 12 weeks as opposed to a regular class that has 15 weeks. And that means that this class is going to be a little different. How it is going to be different and why? Because it is still a 3-credit course. And that means we need to cover the same amount of curriculum than that a regular class. But that means that we will have to sacrifice certain kinds of work. First and foremost, what we are going to skip is all those introductory stuff you guys normally did in first year composition classes, that discussion board with introductions. The next thing we are not going to do is group work. We're not going to do discussions. We're not going to do peer reviews. But we still do have 2 discussion boards in this class, and I'm going to show you what they are. The first discussion is called English 2210 Forum. This is basically our space for socialization. I will post questions to make sure that we are on the same page with understanding our curriculum. I also encourage you to post questions. If you feel you are confused about an assignment, there is a good chance that other students have the same confusion. And I encourage you to post your question here rather than sending it to me by email. But of course, if you have a question that is about you personally, like asking for an extension, then please email me. That forum, I'm going to check it pretty often, like I check my email. But if I'm not available, for example, on weekend, there is a chance that your classmates will answer your questions before I get to this. So this is going to be convenient. And the other discussion board that we have is called Week 11 Extra Credit. If you guys feel by week 11 that you need points and this discussion board is worth 20 points, then feel free to do this as well. Other than that, we are not going to do discussions. Now let's see our coursework. So that's what we have here. Overview and syllabus. Syllabus is very important. Please peruse everything in it, especially because syllabus quiz is due by Friday midnight. Also, we have schedule. This schedule is day by day. What is due, what is available on each day. So feel free to use this. And also, we have a different kind of schedule here. That's what I compiled for you. So here it's a little bit different format. So about due dates, all of our assignments and projects, and that's basically all kinds of work we're going to do, big projects and small assignments, all of them are due Friday midnight. So that means on Friday by 11:59 p.m. But because I know that you guys are working and you have other obligations, by default, all of you are getting a 2-day grace period. What that means that the assignment is due by Friday midnight, but it remains open until Sunday midnight. Until Sunday midnight, if you submit it by then, I'm not going to deduct points from you or anything. So that's how it's going to work. And also, like I said, we have less time compared to a regular 15-week course. That's why week 1 is going to be very intense You will cover all this overarching stuff here, and you will get to our first project immediately. Week 1, correspondence project, and many assignments, a few quizzes, and the first part of the project is due by Friday midnight. But like I said, feel free to work during the weekend. That's totally fine. Also, there is assignment checklist. You can use this as well. All the links should work. I already checked. Also, please be prepared that some items might duplicate between different tabs. For example, get started and week 1. I can say that it's not something that I came up with. I honestly would prefer that one thing is kept here and the other thing is kept somewhere else, but just once. But this is a requirement of the program that we keep them in a few places. If you guys do not find it here, you will find it there, you know? And another thing is that this curriculum is not something that I came up with personally. It's what the program requires me to do. So that's why just keep in mind that this curriculum and how it is structured and how we are teaching you, this is guided by the best practices in the field of professional and technical communication. Okay, and that's pretty much it, what I wanted to share with you. Please, if you have questions, do not hesitate emailing me. Do not think that if you are confused, it will somehow get resolved on its own, because I made mistakes very often like this in the past when I was a student. I would become confused and think, okay, I'll figure it out somehow. And then I would figure it out. And it turned out that my professor wanted something totally different, you know? So if you have a question, that's what I'm here for. This is an online class. We do not meet in person, but basically email is our only means of communication. And of course, my feedback to your assignments. So that's it. And thanks for listening, and have a great week. And I will stop recording here.